In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Business Profile support quickly and efficiently, whether you're experiencing issues with your Google Business Profile or need assistance with specific features. Accessing support is a straightforward process if you know where to look. So let's dive right in and make sure you get the help you need. First, open your preferred web browser and type in business.google.com. This is the portal where you can manage your Google Business Profile and access various tools that Google provides to help you maximize your business online presence. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. It's where you'll find the key starting point to access help and support features offered by Google. As you make your way to the bottom, look for the help button nestled amongst the links there. It might not jump out at first glance, but once you find it, click on it. This action will direct you to the Google Business Profile help page, where you will encounter a plethora of resources designed to assist you with any trouble you might encounter. On the help page, scroll down until you see the Contact Us option. Clicking on this will open the gateway to personalized support. Here, you will be presented with a form to fill out with your specific concerns or questions about your Google Business Profile. Make sure to be as detailed as possible when describing your issue. This specificity can be crucial for ensuring that you receive the most relevant and efficient assistance. After detailing your concern, move to the section where you choose your business from a drop-down list. This will help in associating your query with the correct profile. Once you've made your selection, it's time to type in your concern or the question you want resolved and then click on the Next button. At this stage, you'll see a list of tags or categories. These are suggested topics that Google thinks might best describe your issue based on your inputs. Select the one that most closely matches your situation. Once this is done, proceed by clicking on the next step. Google will then present you with a series of articles related to your concern. These resources are worth checking out as they might contain the solution you're looking for. However, if after reviewing the articles you still feel the need to talk to an actual Google support representative, don't worry, there's an option for that. Click on the Contact Us button once more. Here you'll have 3 options on how to proceed with speaking to Google support. Choose the method that you find most convenient, whether it be a call, email or chat. And there you have it, a direct line to Google Business Profile support ready to assist you. By following these steps, you can easily navigate the support system and get the help you need to keep your business running smoothly on Google. Remember, the key is to be clear and detailed about your issues to ensure the best possible support experience.